I could add one future feature to this loafing shed, it would be I'm Jennifer Steiger. My husband and I moved out here about a year and a half ago. My husband is the pilot for a major commercial airline. I am the caretaker for the animals here, and everything you see here was not here when we moved out here. The fencing, the loafing shed obviously was not here. So we had all of this put in, and since I'm the animal caretaker here, I wanted to be able to have a loafing shed where my animals could be out of the elements. I discovered Allen's factory outlet online, looking for a company to build a loafing shed. I wanted a company with reputable reviews, and obviously we're looking at cost. That was a major concern. So I did a lot of research online initially, and I honestly kept coming back to Allen's because of the cost, the reviews. And once I started asking questions to the staff there, they were super prompt in getting back with me with all my questions, any concerns I had. That was the reason I chose Allen's. I ended up going with Allen's, and it was a wonderful experience. I purchased actually a garage from Allen's factory outlet and made modifications myself to make it a loafing shed for the animals. So they were very helpful with that, helped me with any design I needed. So my experience with the 3D builder customization was excellent. Excellent tool. I can't say enough good things about it. I could add one future feature to this loafing shed. It would be industrial type curtain to where I could open and close it, partially over the opening of the shed. The loafing shed has improved our lives considerably in adding value to our property. It provides protection and honestly peace of mind for me, for the animals. I really was torn before we had that erected. I was torn about having the animals out here in severe thunderstorms as we get in Texas, or wind. We get a lot of wind out here where we are, coming from the north and south. So it has provided a sense of peace of mind for me, and that's all I need when my animals are out here and I'm not able to be here. If I could give any advice to somebody considering a purchase from Allen's, I would say definitely 100% give them the opportunity to do it, because you won't be disappointed in every step of the process.